Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unveiling something truly extraordinary. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a $15 million mobile palace that redefines what luxury travel can be. Futuristic, ultra-premium motorhomes are your thing? Stay with us to the end, because this is unlike anything else on the road. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and if you want to see more incredible motorhomes like this, stay connected.
When Rolls-Royce enters a new category, it never follows trends. It sets them. This motorhome is not simply an RV with a famous badge. It is a full expression of Rolls-Royce philosophy, blending timeless elegance, cutting-edge engineering, and handcrafted perfection into a single rolling residence. From the first glance, it's clear this vehicle exists in a world of its own. The exterior design is breathtaking. Finished in deep, lustrous black with subtle gold accent striping, the motorhome commands attention without shouting. The front fascia features a bold, upright grille inspired by the Phantom, framed by precision LED lighting that creates a dramatic presence day or night. Smooth, flowing bodywork gives the massive structure an unexpectedly graceful silhouette, while advanced aerodynamic shaping reduces wind noise and improves highway efficiency. Step inside, and the transformation is immediate. The interior is a showcase of black marble, polished metals, and rare handcrafted woods, all finished to the same standards as a Rolls-Royce Phantom or Cullinan. Multiple levels are connected by sweeping staircases with integrated ambient lighting, turning simple movement into a refined experience. The main living area feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. Plush seating upholstered in the finest leathers surrounds an open, light-filled lounge. Overhead, a signature starlight headliner recreates a shimmering night sky, creating a calm and intimate atmosphere wherever you travel. The kitchen goes far beyond typical RV expectations, featuring bespoke cabinetry, premium appliances, and expansive stone countertops designed for both beauty and function. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than transportation. It is a statement of ultimate freedom, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. A true masterpiece on wheels.
Look at this monster motorhome. It's absolutely amazing. Tell me in the comments how you like it. I'll be waiting.